and you double. 440 hertz is basically cycles per second, so number of wave vibration. So we've just transcended beyond music into physics. So they overlap at some given point in different areas.
Okay. But you're maybe more known, so you do all this, but you also have a YouTube channel called Mr. Pregnant.
Yeah.
Where you like sing and dance with your shirt off?
Yeah, Mr. Pregnant is a metaphor for full of it. It's kind of Mr. Pregnant was primarily created to materialize the abstract concepts I had. So I wanted to give a visual. If I wanted to, let's say, if I wanted to illustrate visuals, I go walk, do a lot of putting thoughts and idea into perspective, self-reflection.
Okay, this is a good time of year for that.
And this is my fourth time or third time on the show. Well, technically fourth time on Drumebox.
Well,
thank you to the co-founder, Mr. Nolan Silverman.
Silverstein.
My apology. Also Adam for booking me again for the third time. Thank you, I appreciate that.
Yeah, of course.
Thank you for
very
having
persistent.
me. Huh?
Very persistent. I knew that we had a cancellation last minute, and before I'd even finished asking you would agree to be on the show.
Absolutely.
So you're a dependable guest.
Thank you.
I admire that about you.
For my beautiful
What is it about this program that you like so much, appearing on Drumebox and things like that?
Your particular show, or There's a Place, or Drumebox?
Well, yeah, There's a Place. We'll keep it local.
Drumebox is sort of this platform that kind of embodies entertainers' deep-seated imagination. Whatever you can encapsulate or explicate in your mind, Drumebox sort of facilitate that. I mean, I walked in here to do my 1-hour lecture on mental disorder, or neurotypical misconception of